Assalamualaikum everyone, hope so you are fine and doing well. Today we will do numericals from 8.7 to 8.9. In this numerical 8.7, we wish to use a glass plate of refractive index of 1.5 in the air as a polarizer, and the our number of index हमें 1.5. Find of polarizing angle and angle of refraction we have to find. First of all, tan theta p equals to n की वैल्यू डाल देंगे. tan हमें थीटा p निकालेंगे सबसे पहले, which is equal theta p means angle of polarizer, which is equal tan inverse 1.5, जिसका आंसर आ जाएगा हमारे पास इक्वल टू 56.3. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. वी यूज़ फार्मूला Snell's law, n1 sin theta p which is polarizer angle equal to n2 sin r means refraction. We have to find sin r, n2 डिवाइड हो जाएगा उस साइड पर जाकर, पुट कर देंगे वैल्यू sin 56.3 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.5. आफ्टर दैट sin 56.3 which is equal to 0.832 divided by 1.5. after dividing, which is equal to 0.5547. We have to find only r, not sin r. So sin r साइन दूसरी साइड पर जाकर साइन इन्वर्स हो जाएगा. r इक्वल्स टू साइन इन्वर्स 0.5547 which is equal to 33.7 degree. In next numerical 8.8, at what angle of incidence will light refracted from water be completely polarized? We have to find angle. According to Brewster's law, tan theta p which is equal to n2 by n1 which is equal to 1.33. We have to find angle only theta p which is equal to tan inverse 1.33 which is equal to 53 degree is our answer. In next numerical 8.9, a beam of unpolarized light. We have to find 4 incident lights. I1 equals to I0 by 2. As we know, theta equals to 30 degree. So first of all, I equals to I0 cos square theta is our formula. Let for first polarizer sheet I0 equals to 1. As we know, I1 equals to I0 by 2. So first polarizer sheet I1 equals to 1 by 2 our answer. For second polarizer, I2 equals to I1 cos square 30 degree. Formula becomes, put value in it 1 by 2 cos 30 degree which is equal to 1 by under root 3 by 2 whole square. Our answer is 3 by 4. After square and square root cutting, 3 by 4 answer आ जाएगा. I2 equals to 3 by 8. For third polarizer, our equation becomes I3 equals to I2 cos square theta. Put values in this. As I2 equals to 3 by 8, theta equals to 30 degree. After putting values in it, again cos 30 degree which is equal to under root 3 by 2. So directly we put 3 by 4. After simplification, 9 by 32 is our answer of third polarizer sheet. For fourth polarizer sheet I4, equation becomes I4 equals to I3 cos square theta. As I3 equals to 9 by 32 and theta equals to 30 degree. Again सेम ही आना था आंसर, तो मैंने डायरेक्ट पुट कर दिया 3 by 4 which is equal to 27 by 128. After dividing, our answer is 0.211. So if we find percentage of fourth polarizer, then our answer is 21.1%. Thank you.